Do you want to wow your audience with an amazing animation in PowerPoint? Welcome to Solomon channel. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to create stunning carousel animation effect in Microsoft PowerPoint that will elevate your presentations and make your slide dynamic and engaging. With this easy to follow instruction, this video is perfect for beginners and PowerPoint enthusiasts alike. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PowerPoints and other tech-related tutorials. Now, let's dive into the video. All right, go to View. On View, Slide Master, select the placeholder, and then delete this. Go to Insert Placeholder, and then select Picture Placeholder. Then you draw the placeholder for your picture. Once that is done, duplicate it up to the number of the placeholder you want to use as regards to your work. In this video, we are going to be making use of 6 placeholders for our video. All right. Then, having done that, you go to Slide Master, then close. Head over to your new, select that particular placeholder, head to Insert Picture, select the pictures you want to insert into these placeholders. And for this video, we are going to be doing that real fast and real quick. See you at the end. All right. Once you are done inserting your pictures, go to Insert, select a rectangle shape, draw a rectangular shape of the same size with your picture placeholder, place it directly on top of each other. And for the purpose of this video, we are going to make this fast and then see you at the end of that particular activity. Okay, once we are done, let's group the rectangulars into one so as to be easy for us. Beautiful. Then the next we do is to select the pictures and then go to Picture and then make it to the gray color. Also, let's move the first one at the center of the slide. Having done that, ensure you go back to your view, go to the picture, and then make that particular one to be very visible. So as when we play it, we are going to get that. Then duplicate that slide, repeat the same step for the next 6 slide that we are going to be doing or going to be using for this particular video. Bring it at the center and make it visible. With this process, replicate this for the next 6 slides and see you at the end. Okay, now here we are. We are going to, after that, delete the rectangular boxes on top of the slides. Delete all of them, and then after you are done doing that, let's head over to the next stuff we are to do in this particular video. Head over to Insert, select the oval shape, and draw a shape like parabolic shape and stuff like that. Draw a parabolic shape, position it effectively at the center, and also the way it will be on top of the picture, cutting a bit of the picture that is in question. For this slide, this picture of the soup is the one in question here. And then go after that, make it white, remove outline, insert your shape that you need to put in a text inside. In this video, we are using a rounded rectangular shape. Put in your text. We change the color to red. Go and we make a bit of formatting on the shape by going to shape outline, make it gray, yellow, and then increase the outline size to about 6 points, and then add it a bit of shadow, a bit of glow, and then make it kind of 3D. Beautiful. Beautiful. Once that is done, we can change the font style in this video, we are making use of errors bold to make it a bit of bold and stuff like that. So we are going to reduce it a bit, reduce that and position it directly on the center. So you look at your smart guard, the smart guard will help you. That's the center, and then we bring it closer to the very picture. Hence, the next thing we do is to duplicate the oval shape and our shape, and then place it under the same particular slide. Let it be the same alignment with the previous, and then we bring this up close to the picture. And that is that for this particular activity. The next we need to do is we remove this group, the oval shape and this shape and the rectangular shape, group this and the oval shape as well, group them. Then the next you do is to select the two shapes, paste it on each of the slides. Once that is done, paste it on each of the slides, and once that is done, then we can now insert what each picture represents. In this slide, the picture is okra, and we do that for the rest of the slides. Okay, now that is done, we select and apply morph transition. Morph transition, select all the C slide, apply morph transition. Let's see how it will look like when we play it. And this is what we have. You see that transition. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? As for your presentation, that's will take us to the next steps, is to insert the buttons. To insert the buttons we are going to be using in this video. I have already downloaded this button, so let's insert it here, and then insert the other button as well, so as to navigate the slide. We are going to insert this so as when we click on it, it will move, or it will move forward, or it will move backward. Okay, we're going to link it by right clicking and going to hyperlink, select the previous, and then link this one as well. We select next slide, so as when we click on it, it will go to next or previous. Copy it, and then copy the two buttons and paste it on each of the C slides. And that we have to get stuff like this. When you click it, move forward, it move backward, next slide, the previous slides, and that is very, very awesome. Okay, the next we do is to go to that and duplicate this first slide. And in this first slide, we are going to explain what the first picture is all about. So we remove the oval shape, and then we delete. We have to now delete other picture placeholders and every other thing in this slide, and we will be left only with the picture we want to elaborate, the picture we want to explain. This is the picture we want to explain. So this picture is for the slide. What is this picture all about? What is this menu for? What are we going to use it for then? That's what we need to do on this particular slide. Delete every picture, then put in your required text. For the purpose of this video, we are going to make use of the short form of inserting text by using equals to lorem. We are going to make use of 3, for this particular video. All right, that's we have this. Let's reduce the size of the text to something that can accommodate in the slide, and then boom, select your desired font style as regards to what you are working with. Is your choice. Next we can also justify it, and then position it very well close to the okra. All right, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. The same way we are going to repeat for the previous slide. We are going to repeat this for all the slides. All right, we insert this button. This button will help us to move back. Is a backward button. We link it, and then we go to take us back to the first slide, and that we have something of this nature. You link this to this particular slide, and boom, we have stuff like this. Click on the picture, it takes you straight to that slide. Go back, and we have something as beautiful as this stuff. And this same process, we have to repeat it for the remaining 5 slides, and see you at the end of this because of the time or the length of this video. All right, here we are, and this is what it looks like we have in this particular video. You click, go back by clicking the backward arrow, move forward, enter. You have something as beautiful as this for your presentations, for your animations, for any artwork, for any presentation, professional, to wow your audience and to keep them captivated and engaged. And this is what we have. All right, we move to get the next stuff in this particular video. You go to insert and then bring in another button that we can use to navigate in certain areas. So that you, once that is entered, you move, you say to the previous, we select first slide that we have linked this button to the first slide, that anytime we click on it, that takes us to the first slide in this particular video. Also, we are going to insert the next button as well, that will take us further to where we want it to be. All right, insert this button as well, and we need to go over and place it to where we want it to lead us, where we want it to take to the last slide. Copy this, copy this, copy this, move to the other slides and paste them on each slide, and that we have something of this nature. We move to the last slide. This is a bit of error. We need this to take us to the last slide, not really the last slide in this presentation. We want this to take us to the last 6 slides. So we are going to link it back to go back to that, and then go to custom slides and select the 6th slide. That's the slide we want it to lead us to. So that's when you click on it, it will take you directly to that particular slide. Okay. When you do that, it takes you to that particular slide, and then we paste it on each of these slides. All right. So once we check that, it takes us to the 6th slide. Beautiful. That's exactly what we want it to be. This we move one step down, and the other one will take us directly to the end of the slide number 6. Okay, the next we do is to format our buttons and make it look a bit more professional, a bit more presentable. So what we do is we need to go and change a bit of the color. So let's select the button and then go to select a kind of gray color to make it more more appealing to for this particular presentation. And that is what we do. Once that is done, let's replicate it for the other slides. Let's replicate it for the other slides. We need to take that, copy it, and paste it on the other slides. And see you by the time we are done doing that. Okay, let's do that. Copy paste here. We go to this delete and do that so fast. and see you at the end. All right. Once we have done that, we also go to inside this and check format the color of this button, make it look a bit of gray color. Select it, go to picture format and select color and select the one of gray at the bottom. Yes, and then replicate it for the other slides and see you at the end. All right, and boom, we are done. And this, at the end, we have a very powerful presentation such as this to wow your audience and to make your presentation so powerful, so captivating, so thrilling. If you like what we are doing, if you enjoy this video, why not give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and also if you are new to this channel, please, we want you to subscribe, share our video so as to motivate us and to encourage us to keep on dishing out quality contents, quality videos, educative videos on this channel. My name remains Franklin Solomon Consulting. See you in the next video, and do have a lovely day.